it seems like when I'm down on my knees. God, I can't really tell if you're listening to me.
Greetings, YouTube. Allowing to back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel here in Grove Zone 8B right here in Tifton, Georgia. And in today's video, YouTube, we'd like to bring you guys along with us for an update on the only planter in our front yard garden extended grow area that we did not update you guys on during either our full garden tour video or our follow-up video to our full garden tour video. And that planter, YouTube, that particular planter is Deep South Homestead. If you recall from our planting video out there at Deep South Homestead, we planted Beauregard sweet potato slips in Danny and Wanda's planter out there approximately 40 days ago, YouTube. That's right, YouTube. It's been 40 entire days since we planted those homegrown Beauregard sweet potato slips out there at Deep South Homestead in Danny and Wanda's planter. I want to bring you guys out there right now and show you exactly what has happened out there at Deep South Homestead in approximately the past 40 days. But before I do, YouTube, I'm going to give you guys a flashback to what Deep South Homestead looked like during our planting video. Take a look at this, YouTube. Here in our tire planter here at Deep South Homestead, we watered those guys in really good. We're going to wait a couple of days, come back, top this bed off with probably another inch and a half, maybe 2 inches of our Miracle Grow garden soil. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what Deep South Homestead currently looks like right here, right now, at the Green Thumbs Garden Channel here in Grove Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam. Can you guys see that, YouTube? Can you see how much Danny and Wanda's Beauregard sweet potato slips have grown in approximately the past 40 days right here in our front yard garden extended grow area? Not only have they completely filled this planter, they begin to spill out over the sides all the way around and grow out into our front yard garden extended grow area's lawn. Look at that, YouTube. See those vines all the way out there? Same thing all the way around here at Deep South Homestead and Danny and Wanda's planter. And we truly, YouTube, truly cannot be more pleased and excited by what we see right here, right now at Deep South Homestead. We predicted that what we planted here this year at Deep South Homestead would indeed grow fantastically well. And YouTube, that is indeed what is currently happening out here at Deep South Homestead with Danny and Wanda's Beauregard sweet potato slips. If you haven't seen our planting video on Deep South Homestead, when we first planted these Beauregard sweet potato slips, click on the link at the top of this video and take a look at the video where we show you in detail how we now not only grew our own Beauregard sweet potato slips from seed potatoes, but also how we harvested those sweet potato slips, planted them here, and again, YouTube, again, this is what currently is this is what we currently have going on right here, right now, Grove Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia, at Deep South Homestead. Danny and Wanda, my friends, this one's for you. And things are indeed looking well in your planter. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you currently are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing Beauregard sweet potatoes at Deep South Homestead. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Listen, Nick. Listen, Nick.